Hello and welcome to Last Moment Preparation. In this video, we are going to cover addition of two numbers in Java. Although we haven't made a dedicated video on operators in Java yet, the operator that we are going to use in this program is a simple arithmetic operator and is the same as we use in mathematics for addition of two numbers, which is a plus sign. So we are good to go with the program. Now, to begin with, as you are aware, we need to import a scanner class to take user input in Java. So I'll say import java.util.scanner. Now we also need to create an object of this scanner class. So this time I'm going to give it a simple name like sc is equal to new scanner, and the source should be system.in. All right. Now our scanner is ready, so we can prompt our user to enter his first number. Okay, so I'm saying system.out.println, and then I want to prompt the user enter number one. Okay, this should be fine. And now we also want to store that number given by the user in a variable named a. So it is an integer variable named a, and what I'm going to store is sc dot next int. All right. So we are done with our first number, but we also need another number that needs to be added. So I'll say enter number two. And again, we are going to store it in another variable named b. So it is going to be sc.next int. All right. Now for the first program, I'm going to keep it simple and introduce another variable for the result, but we'll modify this program later as we are wasting a little memory by doing this, that is introducing the third variable. So I'm going to say int result is equal to a plus b, and now we also should print this result out to the user. So we will say this, okay, enclosing it in quotes, the sum is, and let's append the variable result. All right, this should work. So let's go ahead and run this program. I'll say java c e3 underscore sum of two numbers dot java. Okay, this got compiled, and then I'll say e3 sum of two numbers. It is asking me to enter number one, so I'll say 3 and 4. So the sum is 7. As you know, 3 plus 4 is 7. So the thing that I said about memory wastage is that instead of creating another variable named result, if we are sure that we are not going to use variable a or variable b in latter part of the program, we could simply reassign variable a as a plus b and store the result of addition in variable a itself. This would save some space in memory. Secondly, it is also possible to add decimal numbers in Java. Now let's see how we can do it. So here, as you can see, we have used a next int method which scans any integer input, but instead if we use something like next float, it would actually take a decimal number. However, we also need to change the data type of our variable to float. Lastly, just put a semicolon at the end. Again, I'm also going to do this for variable b. All right. So, and the result again is also going to be a floating point. So now in this program, even decimal numbers could be added. So I'll just recompile and rerun this program, saying Java C, then again Java. Again, it is asking me for a number, so I'll say 2.5, and it could be 5.5. Now, as you can see, the sum is 8.0 and it has successfully managed to add two decimal numbers. Now, you must be wondering, what if one of the number is integer and the other one is float? In this case, automatic type promotion takes place. Let's see how it works. So I'll keep one of the number as integer by calling the next int method, and we'll also store it in an integer variable. So now we know that variable a is an integer and variable b is a float. I'm adding result is equal to a plus b again. Now let's go over here, recompile and rerun this program. So Java C, then Java. Okay, so our first number should be an integer. I'm going to give 6, and the second number is a float, so I can give 3.5, and the result is 9.5. So as you can see, 6, which was an integer, automatically got type promoted to a float. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe to Last Moment Preparation for more such videos. Till then, thank you and bye bye.